What's going on, y'all? I got another video for y'all today. We're going to be taking the focus on a canyon run now that it has the new E30 tune, the intake, and the new wheels and tires. I haven't taken it up there since, so we're going to go check it out. But first, I'm going to give you all a cold start. Y'all, got the camera on the head, and this is pretty much the start of the road. This is just the beginning portion, and then it kind of straightens out a little bit, and then it gets into the real windy and twisty roads. But scraping a little. Hopefully there's not too many people on the road right now. I mean, it's only 9:40 in the morning, so we might luck out and not get stuck behind any slow pokes. And this is where I jinxed myself. So this first hard turn right here is pretty much the start of the legit canyon road, or toge, whatever you want to call it. But this right here pretty much starts it. There's no road work ahead. And it looks like there might be. Hopefully not. We'll see. And we hit the road work, unfortunately. Alright guys, so we're back at it. we passed all the construction, but now we're heading back. So the back half of it wasn't too bad, so I'll be able to do a little bit right there, but then I'm gonna have to end it again whenever the construction starts. So let's get it. It starts up, so I'll start it again once we get through the construction. All right. Nice little pull. Alright, so because we got stuck behind those slower cars, I just sat over there for a little bit, let everybody pass. And I mean, the fun part, unfortunately, of the road was under construction. We'll have to do it again another time so you guys can get the full effect. However, I do have a video of after I installed the strut bar, we took it over there. So if you guys want to check that out, I also have that. But we'll hit this last little part right here pretty hard so you guys can have something to watch. I haven't done this since we put the new wheels and tires on, so I definitely feel a lot more grip, because before with the all-season tires, you could actually hear the tires losing traction in the corners, and it was kind of wanting to drift out, but now we're doing all right. The new tune, I feel it wanting to take off more in the corners, so that's good. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Unfortunately we hit construction, but I caught the back end of it going out, and then coming back I hit that back end. So still got a little bit of good running in, but that'll pretty much do it for this one, guys. I appreciate you all for watching, not just this video but all my videos. We're at 31 subscribers right now. It's not a lot, or at least it doesn't sound like a lot, but I appreciate each and every one of y'all for, you know, clicking on my videos, clicking that subscribe button. a lot. I mean, it feels like just a couple months ago we were at like 5 subscribers. But yeah, I appreciate all you guys, and for all you new people watching, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. I try to get new videos out every week, if not every other week. With my work schedule, sometimes it's a bit hard, but yeah, hit that subscribe button and let's run it up. Let's make some good content together, guys. Peace.